We'll guide you through how to download and install the Facebook mobile app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Facebook is a very popular social media. So you can go and get it on your device, you can go and post yourself, or look at other people's posts, look at Reels, amongst other things as well. So make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. First of all, you'll need a connection to the internet, whether that's through your cellular data or a Wi-Fi connection. Open up your phone store. On here, we have the Play Store on an Android, but on an iPhone, you have the App Store. So go and find it and tap on it. Then what you need to do is you want to go to the bottom and you can press search, and you need to go and press the search bar at the top. And we're going to go and type in Facebook, just like so. As you can see, it's at the top here. To the right, you've got install, and we can tap on it and press install here as well. Now you can go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long, hopefully. Then when it's done, it's going to go and change to open, where it goes and says cancel. So you can go and keep waiting. It hopefully won't go and be too much longer. And as you can see, there it is. And then what we can do is we can go and press open to the right. Or what you can do is you can go and swipe up, swipe across the different pages until you find Facebook and tap on it there. It will then go and open. And what you'll need to do is go and create an account if you haven't already got one, or you can go and log in. So I will go and log in, as there is the account here already detected, as it's been used here before. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.